In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Steam error 309 quickly and easily, so you can get back to downloading and playing your games without interruptions. This is a common issue that usually happens during downloads, and the good news is, it's very simple to fix once you know the right steps. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss anything important. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, you want to completely close Steam. Don't just click the X because that often leaves background processes running. Instead, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard at the same time to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager is open, look through the list of processes and find anything related to Steam, especially Steam.exe. Right-click each Steam process and click End Task. This ensures Steam is fully shut down and not interfering with the fix. Next, go ahead and reopen Steam normally. Once Steam launches, look to the top left corner and click on Steam, then go down to Settings. Inside the Settings menu, find and click on Downloads. This is where most of the fixes for this error are located. Now, look for the option that says Clear Download Cache. Click on it. Steam will prompt you to confirm and may ask you to log in again afterward. That's completely normal. Clearing the cache removes any corrupted or stuck download data that could be causing the error. After clearing the cache, stay in the download section and look for download region. This setting determines which server Steam uses for your downloads. Sometimes, the server you're connected to might be overloaded or experiencing issues. Click the drop-down menu and select a different region that's close to your location. You don't want to pick something too far away, just a nearby alternative. Once you've changed the region, go ahead and restart Steam again to make sure all changes are applied properly. When Steam reopens, try downloading your game or update again and see if the error is gone. In most cases, this combination of clearing the cache and switching download regions completely fixes Steam error 309. It's quick, simple, and doesn't require reinstalling anything. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the issue and should be back to smooth downloads. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.